Children, good morning. Today we are going to learn H. Now, the phonic sound of H is H. The phonic sound of H is H. Now look here on the book H. This is H. H for horse. H for horse. H for hand. H for hand. H for hat. H for hat. H for hut. H for hut. H for hammer. H for hammer. Now, we will do the work in workbook page number 20 and 21. Now look here how you will write H. We will give 4 dots. Now here we will give 4 dots for H. Now how will they write? Put pencil on the dot, make 2 standing lines and then sleeping line. H. Say H. The phonic sound of H is H. Now again 4 dots, then standing line, sleeping line. Okay? Now children, first of all we will trace on page number 20, then we will come on page number 21 on 4 dots. Now look here how you will trace. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line.